Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia 9. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can enable or disable night light and change its intensity. Then we can change wallpaper, enable or disable dark theme, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, manage pure display mode, change font size, display size, set screensaver, enable or disable glance view and manage it. Then we can manage lock screen display. For example, we can change lock screen preferences, add users from lock screen, set lock screen message, and enable or disable show lockdown option. In the end, we can enable or disable tap to wake function. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.